Okay, so ulitin ko. Yan. Okay, so good evening. We will discuss what are the other options that you may do aside from getting or aside from doing your project. Because I understand also what the impact of pandemic did to you, especially in your acquisition of skills, which is so crucial or which is crucial in the development of your projects. But I know that you are proficient in some languages or in some skills, but then not all of you. Not all of you. Now, if you really have a difficulty in coming up with your project, then ito yung isang solution. Where is Marvin? Marvin is not around. So thank you, Janeline. Janeline is here. The people concerned are not online. So it's okay because they may view and they can view the video later on. Okay? So there are two things that I would like to discuss with you right now. Yes, Nico, are you saying something?
Proceed, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, sige, sige. If you have something to say, please use the reaction. Nawala ako? Yeah. Use the reaction na nasa baba. Okay?
Saan?
Dito, sa baba, meron dyaang reaction. Reactions. Okay, so you just raise your hand if you want to say something. Okay, so thank you. Thumbs up if you agree. Okay, so let me proceed. Okay, so the first thing that I would like to discuss with you is sorry, hindi ko naman na-share. The insurance. I would like to share my screen with you so that you can take a pic, you may take a shot of it or better, and for better understanding. Okay? So, share ko muna yung screen ko. Okay, so can you see it, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Nakikita nyo? Aba? Alam ko malakas na yung signal mo ah. Nakita ko yung antena nyo.
Antena ba, ma'am?
Okay, at least, di ba? Now, the first one is the insurance. It is mandatory that you will have your insurance coverage. And one option is to get it from Red Cross. And from Red Cross, it costs around 100 to 120. Before, it was 100 pesos. Now, if you can have access or if you have somebody who is connected to the network, to the Red Cross, and you could get an insurance coverage from Red Cross yourself, then you may do so. Otherwise, you may send it to me, the amount of 100 pesos personally or through electronic means like GCash, Paymaya. You may send it to the account of Sir Warren. Yung GCash account ni Sir Warren is his number. Yun na mismo yung number niya, yung cellphone number niya, yun mismo ang GCash account ni Sir Warren, yun din ang Paymaya account ni Sir Warren. Okay, so I expect those who cannot get their insurances themselves, please pay the 100 pesos insurance through Sir Warren next week. so that we could finalize the names and then submit it to Red Cross. Kasi ang Red Cross, ganito yan. Ang coverage niya, hindi siya agad-agad. So, 1 month after ang effectivity ng coverage. Okay? Hello, Darren.
Hello, ma'am.
Good to see you. No, good to hear from you. Okay, so thank you for joining. Ang isa pang inaantay natin si Marvin. I do not, Patrick. Patrick.
Ma'am?
Bakit si Marvin? Na PM mo ba?
Nag-PM ako sa kanya, ma'am, pero hindi pa siya nag-seen.
Oh my.
Hindi pa siya
Naku,
nag-seen or di ko siya naabutan na online.
Okay. Anyway, I will be posting the link later on in our GC, and then kindly chat Marvin again to check the link so that he may be able to get update also. Thank you. Okay, so number 2, for those without projects and for those who are not willing to take projects, I would like to mention your names. Not willing. No. Not willing and have no means of doing their projects. As in talagang walang means, walang opportunity, walang nababagay or hindi nababagay. Like for example, si Marvin, si Novarina, si Regina, si Bliston, si Maris, Grace, Samuel, Nico, Gail Ann, Geraldine Lamag, Darren, Farah, John Rick, Janeline, Franz, Kit, Lloyda, and Jemar. Okay? So this could be for you. Yan. You are required to complete the following crash courses. Ito, online courses. You may get 2 certificates each depending on the duration. If it is a very intensive or if it is an intensive training, then 1 training would do for each of these competencies. Okay? Isang competency is on computer networking. You can access free crash courses in Udemy. Yan. You can also have free training courses from TESDA. Or if you would like to pay, meron ding Udemy na paid and Coursera. Meron ding Course Hero. You try Course Hero. Yan ba? Ang spelling niya? Sige, you just try Course Hero. And many other more. There are so many organizations, sites which offer free trainings, free crash courses. Okay, so am I clear? There should be 2 certificates in computer networking, 2 certificates in computer troubleshooting. Now with this, with computer troubleshooting, you may get the course online through TESDA. Kunin nyo sa TESDA, libre naman siya. Yung computer troubleshooting or CSS. Okay? Okay, so another is computer programming also. TESDA is offering computer programming courses for free. And there are so many sites offering the same. Okay? Another is graphic design. So any software and course available. So kunwari, graphic design using apa? Okay, so graphic design using Illustrator. Illustrator ba? Adobe, and many other more graphic design software. So am I clear on this? Well, question. You may pay or you may access the free courses. Ngayon, what will be presented later on? Your certificates. You have to provide the certificates, certifying that you really finished those training courses. Okay? May I hear a remark? Do we have objections or suggestions or any comment on this? Hello?
Ma'am, kasali kami?
Sino ikaw? Wait, si Patrick.
Yes, ma'am.
Pat, wag na.
Okay, ma'am.
One project na.
Okay, wag na. Ngayon, yung iba, if you assess yourself that you really cannot do the project yourself, then it is high time or it is time for you to be skilled or gain skills online by completing all these courses. Okay? Kung sa tingin mo, kailangan mo pa ng additional skills on computer troubleshooting, computer networking, then you may opt to do number 2. Otherwise, you present a project.
Subok kamakya mo.
Ano, Nico? Ay, pakanin nyo ti baby, oh. Nabisindan sa, nan kayong sapay ng nangan. Kinan ko to pa jay duwa lang spoonfuls of in 5 minutes.
Kuan mo, mapunta ka no makiha mo.
Wow. Sana all.
Okay, proceed, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm just getting your reactions. I'm just getting your sentiments on this. Darren. Where is Darren?
Yes, ma'am.
Darren, what would you like? To conduct a project or complete the following crash courses? Or complete the following competency courses?
Ay, there's a ma'am.
Ha? Anya, Darren? Allah, is that Jay?
Well,
Ano, Janeline. Okay, you are raising your hand.
Ma'am, pwede pong patulong kapag mag-enroll kami sa TESDA?
Ay, napakadali lang. Okay, wait. TESDA. Wait lang ha. TESDA online courses. Can you see my screen?
Yung, ito lang ma'am, yung may sa Word.
Okay, sige. Wait. I will show you my my screen again. Okay, so this one, can you see it? Wait. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so pumunta kayo dito. TESDA online program. Kiklik ko ha.
Yes,
O,
ma'am.
nakita nyo na. Nais mo bang kumuha ng washable face mask naman?
Washable.
Please. Ay, nako. Okay. So, you need to log in. You need to log in if you are not logged in. Okay. So, mag-log in kayo dito. Like this. You log into your account. If you do not, kasi naka-log in ako dati. Okay. So, dito. etesda.gov.ph. Okay, so I will send the link to the chat natin. Nasaan na siya? Page. Aray. Okay, so makikita yung dito'y site.
Yes, ma'am.
Dito kayo mag-online training. Another is Udemy. Yung nakalagay
Free
dun
din, ma'am, yun?
Yes, my free. Udemy free courses. Yan. Hanapin natin.
TESDA, ma'am.
Yes. Anong nakikita nyo? Yung TESDA pa rin?
Udemy po.
Udemy? Nakikita nyo ang Udemy?
Opo, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you search here, for example, computer networking. At dadangay tikwa, there are times wherein this hour paid siya. The following, the next 2 hours, free siya. Kaya't mga ibaga, nagaduti nag-avail jay paid courses, i-free na jay next. So timingan nyo. Okay, so computer networking. Tignan nga natin kung meron. Yun!
Ma'am,
Ay, may pera. May perang involved.
Yan.
Ubos ang PayPal.
Kala.
Pero bukas, you try. Kasi kaninang umaga, I tried. Meron siyang free. Ay, hindi pala kami. Wait, yesterday. I tried yesterday. Merong free. Eto pala, ipakita ko yung kahapon. Ayan, nandito pa pala yung screen ko. Yan, kahapon ito. Yung search ko kahapon, yan, meron siyang free, Free. Kunanan Free. Okay, so ano yung what you will learn? Sabi niya doon, network fundamentals, computer networking 101, and then how computer LANs operate. Nakikita niyo ba?
Opo, ma'am.
Yung screen ko? Yung merong free?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tomorrow, you try. Or mamaya, baka biglang magkaroon ng free. Okay? So yan. Pwede dito. Okay? So yun, you may use those sites to look for free courses.
Lisek, simot agin.
Eto mat. Ay, sorry. Awang pwede may isa. Sorry, 5 dapat daytoy. Sorry.
Email.
Web page. Sorry. Yan, ito, lima yan. Hindi ko naman na nakopy kanina. Ito.
Ma'am, iba po yung sinare mo.
Ah?
Naka-
Facebook.
Ah?
Facebook.
Sa akin sa email.
Naka-Facebook ako?
Oo, ma'am.
Facebook mo.
Okay, so wait. I will share this one. Okay. So, nadagdagan ng isa.
Lahat.
Web page design. So, lima yan. Actually, hindi ko to ginagawa-gawa ha. Hindi ko to gawa-gawa. I will share you the OJT framework which was presented to the then Vice President for Academic Affairs na si Dr. Dina Liquiayo, yung mama ni Darren. Siya yung nag-approve ng OJT framework which encompasses all of these competencies that you should be learning in your practicum. Okay? So, yan. And actually, these should be the competencies that you should be gaining. After you finish VSIT, lahat dapat ito na-gain mo. Ngayon, if you feel, since nasa we are now in the climax of your career, of your student life, which is OJT, nahihinder naman yung chance ninyo to hone your abilities na natutunan ninyo sa school. That is why those who cannot make projects will do this instead. So, ganito, mag-isip kayo tonight or ngayon, kahit ngayon na, pwede ninyong i-chat dun sa GC natin who are going to take this option and who will not. Like for example, si Patrick. Hindi ka talaga Patrick. Ako na nagsasabi sa'yo. Ano? Pat? So that you will hone your layouting
Yes, ma'am.
skills more.
Hindi na kailangan mas madaling
Mas madaling?
Ano po?
yung sa experience na lang, ma'am.
Yes. And then we will reschedule the orientation. Kailan to? Aggigiddan kayo gamin tikwati. Ada makigigiddan nga defense. Iso nga kunak, malpas gamin kumanday ta nga defense. O di awan problema. Awan tistorbo. Okay, so Monday, magdi-defense sila Charina. Hopefully, okay na ang mga panel. So that we will meet by Wednesday, Thursday. Okay? Tapusin natin yung, we will try to discuss the other topics left undiscussed and that need to be discussed. Anytime, you may enroll anytime, basta may makita kayong free, and ito yung gusto ninyo na gawin, you may enroll anytime. Okay? Kaya lang, surutin nyo nga talaga yung instructions kasi hindi ka makakapunta dun sa next kung hindi mo pa natatapos yung previous. Yes, Janeline?
Ma'am, lahat ng one po, i-enroll namin? Nung lima po, ma'am?
Yes. Kung hindi ito available, for example, Yung computer networking hindi available sa TESDA, hanapin mo sa Udemy. Kung wala sa Udemy, hanapin mo sa Coursera. Kung wala sa Coursera, hanapin mo sa Course Hero. Kung wala pa rin dito, you search na lang on the web. Computer networking course free. O kaya, free computer networking course with certificate. Oh. Kasi yung certificate mo, yun yung evidence mo that you underwent such training. Okay, so ganun din dito. Pero yung computer troubleshooting, I am very sure that it is in TESDA because I have undergone such training. The same is true with the web page design and computer programming. Meron silang isa, Java. You give it to your father. Okay, so any other more? Any other more? Mukhang wala kang ilaw dyan, Jeneline. Kit, you received ko, ma.
Wala, ma'am.
Jeneline, madita ka makita. Okay lang, sige. So ano pa yung mga
Ma'am,
concerns
tatlo kami
ninyo?
dito.
Sino? Sino kasama nyo?
Sina Regina at Nova, ma'am.
Oh, very good.
Regina at Nova, ma'am.
Okay.
Aglum-lum mo kay Samot.
Awan silaw, minakat off.
Yan.
Close.
Okay, so stop share ko na siya. Is that all right with you, guys?
Ma'am.
Is that all right with you? Those without projects and those with projects but willing to train again. Sige, baka ni Casey. Okay? So, doon na lang sa chat box, kindly, sige, who is raising your hand? Nico.
Hello, good evening. May matanong lang po ako kung may nag-message sa iyo tungkol sa DNR.
Ay, wala naman. Who is your contact in DNR?
Si Manang Angeline Bukahan po, ma'am.
Ano bang pinapagawa nila doon?
Naghanap sila ng assistant na taga-buhat ng mga taga-file document.
Nico.
Taga-buhat daw na.
Nico, I think you did not watch the previous videos. You did not listen to the previous discussion because, Nico, there is no more face-to-face. So you tell them that.
Nabasa ko ng yung folders kasi nag-folder po lahat ng documents nila, ma'am.
Walang?
Yung database.
In the database mo.
Sana po, ma'am. Yun yung sabi ni...
Okay. If it will be a
Madam,
project, yes. If you are willing to undertake that project, then so be it. Kaya sabi ko, if you would like to conduct the project, finish that project, that will be good. That will be the best option. Otherwise, you complete a training course or those training courses. Okay, so
Yes,
Nico, kung mag-system ka, okay lang.
Sige po, salamat po, ma'am.
But Nico, you have to give me the contact number and the details of your contact person.
Opo,
Okay?
ma'am. Kakausapin.
Kasi hindi pa ako nagbibigay ng letter kasi inaantay ko lahat yung mga employers, lahat ng mga names of contacts na ibibigay nung magpa-project. Okay? So as soon as possible, Nico, ha?
Opo, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Janeline. Back to Janeline.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, Janeline?
ano po yun, ma'am?
Nagra-raise ka ng hand.
Hindi yun, ma'am.
Naka-raise ka kaya?
Kahit kami, ma'am.
Okay.
Kanina, ma'am, yun.
Lower mo i-click mo din yung lower your hand. Okay. So, sino pa? So, am I clear about the insurance? Am I clear about the insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
100 pesos ibibigay kay Sir Warren or personally kung malapit lang naman kayo or ipabigay ninyo. And then kukuha tayo ng insurance coverage from Red Cross. Otherwise, kung meron kayo or if you have contacts in Red Cross and you would like to do it yourself, then the better. Okay? That will be next week. So all payments should be in next week. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so Darren, online lahat ng crash courses. Yes, lahat online. And then after you finish the training course, you will be given a certificate by the organization or whoever gave you that training. Like TESDA, nag-online, automatic yan. Pagkatapos mo ng course, ibibigay na nila kaagad yung certificate mo. Napakadali. But of course, you need to pass some quizzes. May mga quiz silang ibibigay, may mga activities silang ibibigay. And then after that, you will now be given the certificate. Okay? So, ano pang concerns natin? So, Alexis, yung ibang mga yung ibang mga nag-decide previously to conduct projects to ulawak to embark on projects. If you are not confident enough to finish it, then you may change your mind. You could change your mind and then complete some training courses instead. Okay? So no more questions?
No more, ma'am.
Okay, so we shall be meeting on Wednesday for the orientation instead of tomorrow. Bukas sana yun, kaya lang wala tayong kuryente. And kung ako naman pupunta sa IFSU, some will still be affected by the power interruption. So I cannot do it tomorrow. Okay? And then on Monday, there will be a capstone defense and then training of capstone students also. Baka Tuesday and Wednesday, di bale, at ibang teacher naman ang mag-handle. By the way, bakit pala hindi kayo sumama dun sa nag-workshop nung Monday. Sayang yun. Sayang yung opportunity. I open it up to you. So, no regrets. At least, nasabi ko sa inyo. Okay, so no takers from this class. Okay, so okay na? You may ask your questions in the GC. Yes, Aba, are you going to say something?
Wala, ma'am.
Okay. So, since okay, wala nang question, you may turn on your videos. You may turn on your videos so that we could have a group picture. Yan, class picture. Hala. Yan, di pa ako naka-lipstick. Yan mo na. Jeneline, Charina, Mayan, Darren, kindly turn on your videos. And then move closer to the camera. Those who are in the dark.
Dito po, ma'am.
Those who are in the dark. Sharina.
Grabe si ma'am.
Jeneline.
Nasa in the dark ako.
Darren. Darren. Parang ang liit-liit mong tao.
Ma'am.
Bakit ang taas ng kam mo? Uhok mo ang nakikita
Wait, ma'am.
ko.
Parang si Rector.
Yan. Ang ganda natin. Charina. Where's Charina? Charina. Hala. Pinadedenan sa dyan anak na. Okay. So, 1. Darren.
Wait, ma'am.
Hala. Apay, agkurbata ka pa'y haanin.
Sabi ka mamumbuhat eh.
Yan. O, gwapo na si Darren, o. Okay? So, at the count of 3, you smile. 1, 2, 3. Yan. Ang ganda ng kuha natin. Nico, nagbastos.
Nakatagin na.
Okay, so thank you guys. All questions will be entertained in the GC. Okay, so thank you. Good night. Ay, naku, andyan na si Charina.
Nanataw.
Nala daw. Nagpicture kami Charina. Sorry. Awandan. Okay, so we are good. Okay, so goodbye everyone and have a good sleep. Good night sleep. Okay, so I will end now.
Good night, ma'am.
Good night. Bye.
Bye.
Kamusta ni Mama?
Sino di ay?
Ma'am Jo,
Sino di ay?
ni Lola.
Ay! Hello, ma'am. Good evening. Kumusta kayo ngayon, ma'am? Okay, ma'am. Ag-alalaga ti bakit? Ikumusta kayo, ma'am?
Ay, so,
Ikumusta kayo, ma'am? Ay, hello, ma'am. Nice to see you.
ano,
Apo.
Ano, damdamagin.
maya,
Mayat man, ma'am. Kadkadoan na kayo ni Darren.
One, ma'am.
Very good ni Darren. Very good ni Darren. Okay. O sige, garo din. Good night.
Oh, sige.
Good night. Bye-bye.